coaching thought for the day. So, reflecting on my day today, I just think it's a good thing to point out that sometimes with meetings that you have with teachers, they don't always go, not to say they don't go well, but everything isn't always easy, obviously, with coaching. And so sometimes you're going to have meetings with teachers and you are going to get the brunt of issues that a teacher has that are not with you. So if a teacher in a meeting that you have is upset about something, or if they are angry about something, or that sort of thing, I think it's really important for you to remember that in all likelihood, it's not about you. It can be easy to carry that with you and, feel upset and that sort of thing. But just be mindful that, especially in these last couple of years, there is so much that teachers are going through, not only as teachers, but also as parents or as spouses or just as humans in general. So I try and take on the approach that when I'm meeting with someone and they get emotional with me, if there's a strong emotion, whether that's sadness or anger or whatever it is, I take it as an honor that they are trusting me with knowing that I'm a place that they can share things. But I think in doing that, I can see where people can get upset about thinking it's about them. And so just a reminder out there, coaches, it's not about you. There is a human being out there who is living a very full life with things that you can't even imagine are going on. And so let's just embrace that and support teachers as best we can with whatever skills we have available and whatever we have control over, and helping to support them.